Hello, today we're going to look at how to link a document or a presentation or any type of file to your train track records. So there are three places where you can link a document or any type of file. The first one would be to the training record itself. So if you go over here to your training list and pick one of your, pick one of your training records. In this case we have document control, and this is where you'd link your file. So first you need to click edit to make sure you can edit the record, and then click here on the link field. Now you can link to any document, file, or presentation that's someplace where your employees can actually get to it. This is the one where if they do log in to take an exam online, they would be able to view this document prior to taking the exam. So that can be someplace that's on the internet that it's available to them, or someplace that's on your network. If you're all on a network together, it's someplace on your network that's available to them. So how you do that is you just right-click in a link field and pick Hyperlink. And then you can either paste in your link or you can browse to it. So you can use this button to browse to something on the web, or you can use this one to browse to something that's on your network. So if you click here, then you're going to want to, you don't want to, if you've got like a shortcut to it, you don't want to use that shortcut. You want to go all the way down to where your network is at the bottom and pick your network device and just go through this until you get to the document that you want. In this case, I'm going to, and sometimes this is limiting you to only Office files, so make sure you pick all files, and then you can pick your document right here, and they will insert the link for you. Now there's two fields. This one's the text it displays, this one's the address. I like to leave those both the same so that I know exactly what my link is pointing to. So I say OK there, and now that link is attached to this training record. And if I click on it, it will, and it opened it in the other window, but it will open that document that I specified in that link. And anybody who's on the network who has access to this server will be able to click on that link and open it. And when your employees are taking an exam, they will be able to view that document, then take the exam. Okay, so that's the first place where you can link a document. The second place would be to an individual training completion record. So if I come down here to completions, edit, for each and every employee completion, for each separate date, each separate employee, there's a field that's available to you for a link. So you can do the same thing here, just right click and pick Hyperlink, and then you can choose how you wish to link the file, and that will put the link right there. Now this is not going to be available to any employees to look at. It's only available through this interface. So this would be where you would put something that's specific for just this one employee's completion of the training. And that could be a certificate, sign-in sheet, or whatever you have that's relevant to that completion. Okay, now the third place where you may link any type of file would be to your employee record. Now for the employee records, if you have, well, this is true for any of the links. If you have a group of files that you would like to have linked for the employee instead of just one file, you can just link a folder and then put everything inside that folder, and that will be linked to the record. So for the employee records, what you'll need to do is go down here to Employee Information, HR, and then here is the link field right here. And you can just right click, pick Hyperlink, and then the same as you did the other links, you can either type or paste it in, or you can use these buttons here to browse to it on the web or browse to it on your network. And then once you've got that, once you've got a link there, you can just click on it and it will open that either that web page or that document or whatever you've linked it to. So that opened here just up on my other model. So those are the three places where you may link any type of document or file or presentation to your records in TrainTrack. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for your time.